If you don't control your day will control your life. Let me tell you a story. There was a guy named Sammy. Smart, talented, big dreams. But every morning, he woke up with no plan. Phone in hand, scrolling. Hours vanished. He said, "I'll start later." But later became weeks. Weeks became months. And before he knew it, he was stuck. Not because he lacked talent, but because he wasted time he didn't know he was losing. One day, Sammy met someone older, someone successful. The man looked at him and said, "Your problem isn't lack of opportunity, it's lack of discipline with your time." It hit him hard. So he decided to change one thing. Just one. He started winning his morning. 10 minutes reading about money instead of scrolling. Writing 3 things he must finish today. Saving a small amount automatically every week. Learning one skill for 20 minutes. He didn't become rich overnight. He didn't transform instantly. But he started winning one day. Then another. And that small victory built confidence. Confidence built consistency. Consistency built a better life. Because when you win your day, you win your future. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Time is the first investment. Money grows when your habits grow. If you waste your hours, you waste your chances. But if you guard your time, your goals stop being dreams. They become plans. So ask yourself, what did I do today that my future self will thank me for? If the answer is nothing, start now. Start small. Start with the next 10 minutes. Because your future is watching you, waiting for you, depending on you. If you want more simple, powerful lessons on money and personal growth, subscribe and like to Money Mind. Your journey starts with one smart choice. Thanks for watching.